Let's go look at the thank you page, which is all set up for you. And it's ready for you as well. And it has some encouraging words because that's what you want. You want once they opt in, they end up on the other page, you want them to feel like they made the right decision. So congratulations on taking a powerful step to whatever change you provide. And it also gives them, you can give them a little more encouragement to remind them what they're about to learn to do. It's designed to support you with doable, realistic actions that can lead to whatever the benefit is, one step at a time. So you are trying to create this excitement. You're also empathizing with them, and then you're guiding them to download it as well. So this you would need to connect to whatever your file is. So if you know to in Numu, you would just go edit link. This is actually really great. You don't have to upload files separately. You can actually just go file, and here you can upload whatever it is. So you would just update that. And then you can also maybe add information about your product here. You can even incorporate your whole sales page here, which is often what we do. When they end up going to a download page, I might move this up and try to maybe make it take up a little less space, but I want to make sure it's very clear where they would download it. And then we would just go right into a headline that would be super relevant from someone grabbing this free gift who could possibly benefit from our full product, and put it right there. So easy peasy, you can start implementing those right away.